Time warp with Sherry and I as we travel out into the Disappointment Valley in search of adventure and petroglyphs. Please enjoy the scenes and music as we travel to another side of the ancients. Have fun, and thanks for joining us. As we travel through the Dry Creek Canyon, we climb an elevation as we exit the river valley where we reside. The road to our location was recently refinished but still has dangers that need to be accounted for. Please drive carefully if visiting. Emergency services are distant and have long response times. We briefly pause as I remove images of the Crown Rally accident that are still apparent on the roadway. Our prayers to the families involved. We pull off the road as we encountered a limp mode error from the rough road. Please stand by. When you arrive at the location, the rock art panel is an easy walk away, and there are no extreme conditions at the location. Always take time to listen for wildlife when visiting remote locations. Thank you for riding along. Please take time to watch the upcoming release of the visit and still photos of my explorations of the site. The area seems to have been an inhabited area in the distant past. Thanks again, and go figure that I'm drawn to areas where I can get stoned. That's a joke, please calm down. Peace and happy Secretary's Day.